Hi everyone, welcome back to our ranking series. Today we're tackling the keyword wallet with nearly 400,000 competing listings. If your products are buried in the search results, this video will show you how to change that. Let's search for our keyword. As always, I'll use a random number generator to pick a starting page between 10 and 20. Page 19. Perfect! Instead of scrolling endlessly, I'll jump straight there by adding page equals 19 to the URL. Page 19, and let's look for a product. This one's nice. The main image is bright and eye-catching, key for standing out on page 1. No badges, no popular now tag, and currently sitting unnoticed on page 19. This listing has serious potential. Let's see if we can turn this into a top-selling product. To do that, we're gonna copy our listing ID from the URL and drop it into our ranking tool. Then we'll type in our target keyword, the same one that we searched for, and now we just hit run and let the tool do its thing. Stick around, you'll want to see the results. As usual, see you in a moment. Good news, after a week, we've received a notification that the listing is now on the first page. Before we check, let's clear our cookies to ensure that we see actual default results, unbiased on our search history. To do that, we're gonna go to Settings, search for Cookies, Yetzi, and Delete. As you can see, we're starting with a default homepage that doesn't include recommendations based on our previous browsing history. This ensures that the results we see are purely organic and not influenced by our past clicks or preferences. Now let's search for our keyword again. And there it is! Our listing has jumped from page 19 to page 1 and now proudly displays a shiny popular now badge, and it might even be a bestseller. Yes, it is a bestseller. In just a few days, we moved this listing from being buried on page 19 to dominating page 1. Imagine what this strategy could do for your entire shop. This isn't luck. It's a proven strategy that delivers real results. If you want to achieve results like this, check out my Fiverr profile and see how other sellers are transforming their Etsy businesses with this method. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.